What's going on, guys? Eugenio here, and today I'm gonna test it out, the new GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. I just bought it 2 days ago. I'm gonna show you the footage, how it looks like, if it's worth it or not to upgrade from a previous version, so the 6 or the 5, whatever you have. I've heard that this GoPro has a crazy stabilization. We're gonna find it out today. So I'm gonna head to the beach and let's see if I find any activity to do. Stay till the end of the video as well, because I have a giveaway right now going on in my Instagram page of a GoPro Hero 7, and probably you can join as well.
Okay, you're from Italy.
And it's so windy, I cannot use my drone today. And hi, hey, there is my driver here.
Say hello. How are you? Long time without you.
Long time without you, man. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I filmed only with the GoPro Hero 7, which I never do it. I never use my GoPro. I had a GoPro Hero 5, a Hero 3, but I've never done travel videos or cinematic videos with the GoPro. Today is my first time to use the GoPro Hero 7 and I loved it. It changed everything. When you go outside with the small camera, people, they don't even mind you filming them because it's so small that they get scared of it. So my initial question was, is it worth to upgrade from the 6 to the 7? Well, if you consider the hyperlapse, if you consider you can shoot 4K 60 frames per second, if you consider the stabilization, yes. This is the camera I'm giving away, the GoPro Hero White Edition. Go to my Instagram and you just comment below the picture of the giveaway. There are some steps you have to follow, then you can be the winner. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, just subscribe or put a like, whatever, a comment down below, and I hope to see you soon.